So, this video illustrates how CampControl can be used by a single expediting or a geological consulting company to manage a number of different exploration company clients. So typically the exploration or expediting company would log on and the normal CampControl screen would open, and at which point the expediting company can choose which company they would be looking at on their dashboard. So on this dashboard we see Nugget Expediting's view of a number of different performance indicators with respect to the Durango Capital account. They've chosen to show on their front page latest orders, freight in transit, expediting work logs, freight recently received samples, and future flight and hotel bookings. By simply clicking the button on the left and selecting another of their clients, for example Sanatana Diamonds, they immediately get a snapshot of activity on the Sanatana Diamonds account. This is clearly a very powerful tool for an expediting company and greatly improves their efficiency of operation. So returning now to the Durango account, we see that the expediting company can look at all the orders placed by Durango with their company in the last 3 months, or if they want to change the date, we'll just go back to all the orders placed in the last year and refresh the screen. There they all are, and with the simple click of a button they can see all the orders placed by other clients, Sanatana Diamonds or Pioneer Metals. To create new clients is a very simple question of going to the admin screen, manage companies, and create a new company. One of the great things about CampControl for expediting companies is that it has separate work logs for the expediting staff, customized to expediting work rather than exploration work. So by expanding on the work logs list and selecting the expediting work logs, here we see where the expediting company, or it could be the exploration consulting company, keeps track of the work of their expediters and expediting managers. In this format, the work is arranged by worker, but it can also be grouped by date, as we'll see here. And the work is in fact stored and entered into CampControl in a lot more detail, as shown here in a consolidated worksheet. All of this is described on the CampControl online help documentation system. One final word about the advantage to an expediter is the calendar, which we didn't mention earlier. The different calendar is shown for each client, and the mouse over on the days in red shows what expediting events occurred on those days. So if we change now to Durango Capital, we see a different set of days in red, and if we mouse over those, we see what was happening on those days. This is an indispensably powerful tool for an expediting company. Each of the companies created by the expediting account manager, in this case, will have all the functionality shown in the other videos on the CampControl site. So in a nutshell, again, this tutorial has shown how an expediting company or geological consulting company can create and manage multiple exploration company clients. Thank you very much.